Hello guys and welcome back. So as you could tell, I just fixed my comment section because YouTube thought it was really funny to disable it even though it was turned on, but it actually wasn't, and I just had to do it for the video settings, so that was on me. But today we are going to play Washing Machines by Farinol. Used to be by a different creator, and I also left a link to Chaos Washers, which is like the original version. And yeah, so let's play. Okay, there we go. You can see that they have the old user interface from like 2017. Okay, so there are like 3 people here, which is good for my video. Okay, so we have this room. We have these rooms. Got this secret elevator. We're gonna check that out later. We have Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Okay, I wonder what's down here. Let's see. Club Nexus, which is blocked off. That also kills you right there too. I'm glad the creator has taken the time to like hide Easter eggs all over this game. Okay, this is the wing I was talking about earlier. It's the other entrance. This is like a really, really big washing machine. Like you can fit like 50 people in here. Okay, and here's FBI for some reason. There's storage. There's a secret hallway that we can't go down. There's a secret room so we can't enter. Okay, and then there's prison cells for if you steal something, I guess. I think you would be able to, I think you'd get arrested for stealing the soda, even though no one steals soda. We have a check-in over here that no one uses, I guess. We have this random burning tires. I don't know. Actually, no, that's a container. We have the couch. We just sit and sip. Coca-Cola also makes you die. I think I just said that, but whatever. Okay, let's get some Pepsi. Okay. Okay, so the animation broke, but yeah, definitely broken. Okay, this is a vent. Secret vent. You can see the outside, a little bit glitchy. Okay, this is a downstairs area with a little McDonald's thingy and another washing machine. I wonder if this kills you and stuff. Yeah, it does feel familiar. It's just a reverse version of the upstairs. Okay, you have these ones. We'll check that out later. That's really cool. Okay, there's like one in the floor. I've done that before. Okay, let's go down the secret tunnel thingy. C4, they're knocking this down. Okay, you have like a weird portal thingy. Okay, now we're in some weird club thingy. We can't do anything in here. There's another Pepsi vending machine for some reason. I got spawned on this floor last time for like some reason. Okay, that's that. And right down here we have this. So you can get Yepsy. That's the mini one. And then Yepsy original. And then here are some secret Yepsies that you won't really find. So right down here in this storage rack right here, you'll find Diet Yepsy and Yepsy Zero. Unfortunately, I took all the Yepsies, so no one has them anymore. Okay, inventory. You guys are not like OG like me. Actually, I'm not OG either, but whatever. Yeah, so you didn't know, if you're on a computer, you can press like the weird like accent button, like right below the tilde. And you can do that to open up your inventory real quick, so you don't have to like go in the menu and click inventory like that. If you're just wondering, some games have like the backpack up there. Anyway, so those are secrets of washing machines, if you're interested. And yeah, over the years, yeah, there's been like a lot of like secrets. There used to be like one during Christmas, and it was like Subway Surfers. You used to be able to go outside the map. And before that, there was like this hole in the wall that you could just go through, and then there were like these like things. That was like a really long time ago. It was a couple years ago. And then after that, actually, there was like a club or whatever. And before that, they introduced. So you see this like secret like hallway down there. That used to be like one of like these like weird silver thingies, and it was like hidden behind that, whatever. And then before that, there's no Easter eggs. And yeah. And I actually wanted to fill that like club thing like a couple years back, but I didn't upload to YouTube because Roblox wasn't recording the right way. So yeah. Actually no, that was like a year ago, but yeah, whatever. Okay guys, and that is the secrets for washing machines.